Hello. In this session, we'll discuss and we'll try to implement spirally sorted DSA problem. Uh, by spirally sorted, what do we mean? The zeroth element in the list is less than or equal to n minus 1 element in the list, which is less than or equal to uh, element present at the first index in the list, which is less than or equal to uh, n minus 2 element. So basically this is like 0 is less than or equal to n minus 1 is less than or equal to 1 is less than or equal to n minus 2 and so on. Okay, so we'll start writing our code for this. Def check is spirally sorted. This will accept the input list as the parameter. uh, so for this, what we need to do, we need to have left and right pointer. We initialize the left pointer as 1, we initialize the right pointer as n minus 1, where n is equal to the length of the input list. We will have something called as pre. So currently we will consider the zeroth element as already processed element, and we will have a turn pointer. So we'll begin from right. Okay, now we'll begin our while loop, which will be while left is less than or equal to right. If turn equal to right, if priv is greater than input list of right. Okay, if this condition is true, then we simply need to return false. So basically here we check the if the first element is greater than n minus 1 at this particular level, right? So if this condition is true, we can directly return false. Otherwise our priv will become uh, input list of right. Now we pass on the pointer to left, and we reduce the right to right minus equal to 1. We just need to copy paste this code as elif. This changes to left. The condition remains same. It's just that we need to change this, and now this becomes right, and this becomes left plus equal to 1. Okay. Uh, this is it actually. Now in the end, you can simply return true, and you can check whether this is functioning properly or not. Check is spirally sorted. You pass on the your list. So our input list is 0342, and now we can execute our code. This is spirally sorted. If I do 2 here, this will be again spirally sorted. Now if I do 1 here, so this will not be spirally sorted. Okay, so the main logic over here is you keep on checking your with respect to your previous element, what your previous element is holding. So at the first iteration, your previous element is the zeroth index element, and your right is the n minus 1 element index, and that's how you just check whether it is greater. If it is, you simply return false. Otherwise you keep on decrementing or incrementing the right and left pointer uh, until you uh, until this condition is met. If none if in the iteration, if none of the condition is met, you can simply return true. And yeah, that's it about this video.